My name is Sofia Lyrintzi, and my major is pure math, and I'm graduated in December of 2016. So what math majors do is that they learn a completely new language of math, which has its own notation, terminology, theorems, statements, axioms, laws of logic, different kinds of proofs. So we'll learn to combine them, and first we derive the results that we already have, and after that the ultimate goal is to prove something that hasn't been proven before. But to do that, we need to develop the intuition for math, and that's how we do it. So for example, calculus, like right now, I'm done with the semester, but I took real analysis. So what we did is that we went over all the theorems that we learned in calculus and the results that we use in calculus, and we just proved them all. So that's what math major is about. It's about proving about the process of deriving the results that we use, not on an everyday basis, but engineers use them a lot, and they don't know where they came from. So that's what the math major is about. The thing is that so many people think that math is all about numbers, or just about like complicated formulas, and they think that as you go further, all you do is that you just deal with more difficult numbers. However, this is not the case. Actually, as you go further I'm talking about pure math right now, you deal less and less with numbers, and you deal with abstract objects, abstract theorems, and there's something that you can't even imagine sometimes. So pure math is actually not very applicable now. That's why it's pure. So it's not something that you can easily point out at or give an example from real life. Actually, math is widely applicable. So the most common application is teaching at school, at the university, or do research. Also, you can work in a company which needs data analysts, economists, or let's say statisticians. There are a lot of engineering companies that needs people that know math a lot, and you can work in an insurance company, or if you decide to learn more about computers, you can combine math degree and a computer science degree, or any degree that relates to computers, and you have actually a tremendous amount of opportunities job-wise. Okay, so when I came here, first of all, I was recruited as a tennis player, so I came here as a tennis player and I was on the full ride, and I was not concerned about my major. I was okay in math. I wouldn't say I had a good background. I definitely didn't have, because the school I went to was specialized in languages or history, and math was pretty weak there. But I always liked math, and I would say I liked math because it didn't require memorization at all, and all other sciences, chemistry, biology, of course you need to memorize a lot of stuff. So I just chose math because I liked it and it didn't require memorization. So that's how I switched to math, and now I really, really like it. I'm very proud that I was selected on a competitive basis to do research at Purdue University main campus. And first of all, I got the opportunity to work with great professors, math professors, and interact with graduate students, so learn from them. I also got to work with students from other countries, and they had so much more knowledge, and it was amazing because I could learn from them. So first of all, you truly need to like math, and you need to be interested. You need to like math puzzles and stuff like that. So you need to be prepared for that. You need to truly love it, and you need to know that it requires full dedication, and every day you need to spend a lot of time working the same problems, reading the same theorems, because it's very difficult. Some of them are very difficult, they require time to understand. And it's very important not to get discouraged easily, because sometimes you do poorly on the exam and you feel like, I'm so stupid, I shouldn't do math. But that's not the case. You just need to keep working hard and know that it will come. You just need more work, more experience, because when you learn a new language, at first you might get discouraged. Oh, I just like know alphabet, I can't speak yet. But you need time, you need practice. That's what math is about. You need practice. But some people think that, oh, you just need to be a genius to do math. No, you don't have to be a genius at all. You just need to dedicate yourself to work really hard every day. I'm graduating in December, and I will apply to grad school for sure, and I'm gonna hopefully get my PhD in math. And my dream job is to do research and work as a professor at a university. So go to conferences and stuff. I just truly love that atmosphere of scientists around you. I think it's very fascinating.